Hello, dear friends and family. This is afternoon time, and I'm here on this rooftop. Yeah, this is Chandan Roy, a dreamer, a lover, and a saint of English is speaking in front of you. I'm optimistic that all of you are doing great with your friends and family, and you are learning English in a great way. Yeah, I'm also doing really fantastic, but currently I'm broke. That's why my situation is bad, but yeah, I'm still fine and okay. So in this session, I'm gonna share something that is really needed in our life, real life actually. So after starting my English learning journey, I have sensed some habits that I used to do in the past in my life actually. So today I'm gonna talk about them. Firstly, as you know that I am a garments worker, and now I'm doing that work once again. So before starting my English learning journey, I used to listen so many Bengali song or so many other kind of song during my night shift. But nowadays I don't listen to any kind of Bengali song or any kind of DJ song, DJ music. Instead of listening this kind of song, now I listen to English podcast just for improving my listening skills, and it's really needed for me. I know that. So my tips or point is here: you need to change some habits if you really wanna improve your English, and if you really wanna do something good or better in your real life. So if you still love to listen to some DJ music or any kind of negative music, you need to change it immediately. Otherwise, you will be fall in danger in the future. And if you think about your life in the long run, you have to change it by hook or by crook. So my small suggestion is here: you should change it, or you need to change it immediately. And now I'm gonna talk about simple but brilliant topic, that is gamify your English. You know that our brain loves games and sports. So if you can connect your English with some games and sports, it could be better for you. So how can you do it? You can take some rewards and points for learning English. That read a story, 5 points. You can give you 5 points, and listen to a podcast. You can give you 10 points, and when you reach 100 points, you can give you rewards. It could be a chocolate, it could be a break, it could be your favorite English movie. So you can connect your English like this way, and this make this type of things and this type of thinking make your English more fun and real, and you won't be feel bored and disgusting. So just you need to do this for enjoying the process of learning English. And I always try to find some solutions or magical way to learn English, and still I'm searching for it, and I'm really crazy to find new things for every single day. So what I learn, what I gain each and every single day, I try to share with you, because this is a better and magical method, and it's called two teeth technique. And few days earlier I talked about two teeth technique. So this is really important and significant for me. So this is the things from this session. Yeah, I really love to talk for long minutes, and it's really beneficial for me. So keep growing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself, and we will grow together, we will learn together. Okay, thank you, bye for now.